If you are looking for useful apps for your mobile phones, then watch this video. You will find 10 very useful apps for Android and iOS devices. Welcome to my channel NYM-Softtech. Free Adobe Photoshop Camera is a new camera app from Adobe. At its core, it's a simple camera app with some filter effects. However, those photo effects are pretty good. You can apply filters in real time before snapping the photo or after the photo is taken. There are some really interesting ones as well. Some additional features include portrait mode controls along with creator-inspired filters. It's a silly crossover, but the camera app works as advertised. Its biggest issue is device availability. Adobe Photoshop Camera is a free, intelligent camera app that lets you add the best filters and effects for your photos before you even take the shot. It is a very beautiful app for mobile devices. Photoshop Camera is packed with amazing AI-powered features that help you take gorgeous selfies, food and scenery shots, and more. It has auto tone and portrait control, means you can create high-quality photos with a simple tap or swipe of your finger. With over 80 custom filters, it's easy to swap them in and out and save your favorites to use again and again. Another app is Big File Cleaner. Big File Cleaner is an Android app help you cleaning unnecessary big size files. It can list big size files by type, image, audio, video, others, by file directory and by file extensions. With this, you can find big files which waste phone storage easily and save phone storage. This app is very easy to use. With this app you can check your all big size file and you can delete unnecessary files. You can filter with file size, date, name also. It has many features like the fastest scanning speed. List big size files by type. List big size files by file directory. List big size files by extensions. List new big size files. It is a very simple and perfect app for Android devices. TruePick is a free wallpaper mobile app. It has much variety of wallpapers. It has many categories just like mold, art, building, chroma, etc. All wallpapers are very beautiful. It looks like paintings. These wallpapers have new designs also, and the bad thing is it has too many ads, which is annoying. Otherwise this app is one of the best app for new and best wallpapers. Sesame is a powerful universal search on Android. It is a very useful app to find anything on your mobile phone. It is easy to use. It will add 100+ shortcuts to your device. It is fully customizable. It will make shortcut as per your search record. It will search with dozens of apps using Google Auto Suggestions, fast search that's designed to work in 1 or 2 taps. It matches the first letters of words. Just like if you type S, it will show all apps start from word S. Powerful tools to make your shortcuts. It can works with all launchers and has a special partnership with Nova and Hyperion launchers, and it has many more features. Another app is Retro Music Player. It is a free app. In this app you can find many customization options, and it very beautiful music player app. It has unique customized systems. You can use date grid, name grid, ascending, descending and many more thing you can do. You can choose between 3 different main themes: clearly white, kind dark, and just black for AMOLED displays. You can find easily top-played artists, albums, and favorite songs. No other music player has this feature. It has the best features like music duration filter, gapless playback, volume controls, sleep timer, home screen widgets, and more features. Another beautiful app is a text animation app called Pixelflow. In Pixelflow there are so many custom text animations and backgrounds created professionally just for this app, and you can customize it as per your need. It has 2D animation and motion graphics principles to animate the text effects. In this app, you can modify your desired brand color combinations. All dynamic backgrounds are abstract backgrounds that are perfect for the 2D text animation. You can find in this app 25 plus animated text templates to choose from, 15 plus dynamic backgrounds, 500 plus video backgrounds, 100 plus pre-made gradient backgrounds, custom solid color backgrounds, dynamic background where you can change the color of the background, video background where you can download the video from the library right within the app, or you can add your video as a background. Many more features you can use and create text animation as you like. Another app is a weather forecast app. It is a convenient tool that gives you fast, accurate, and complete forecast info. It has a very useful feature. It will automatically detect your location and displays your local weather. It gives weather info of anywhere in the world. You could view the weather of multiple locations at the same time. It has very visual and beautiful weather radar maps, more than 6 types of radar. It will show current weather, the weather today, hourly weather forecast and 7-day weather forecast. It shows all weather conditions, temperature, wind chill, humidity, precipitation, wind speed, ultraviolet index, rain possibility, snow possibility, dew point, wind direction, cloud cover, moon phase, pressure, sunset, sunrise. It has visual and beautiful temperature graph. You can find many more very useful features in this app. If you have a big screen mobile phone, then QuickCourse will help you to use big screens easily with one hand by introducing a computer like a cursor controlled with one finger by swiping from the edge of the screen. It is very easy to use. You can swipe from the left or right margin from the bottom half of the screen. It can reach the top half of the screen by dragging the tracker using one hand in the bottom half. Touch the tracker to click with the cursor. The tracker will disappear on any action outside the tracker or after some time. With one-handed, you can click anywhere of your mobile's big screen. Snapmode lets you to easily add your screenshots into device frames. You can use it to share your screenshots, wallpapers, or apps mockups. It has a variety of the latest models, different color frames, and more to come. Automatic effect extract primary color or Gaussian blur, clean and simple interface designed by Material Design 2, excellent performance, smooth experience. You can use Google Phone, OnePlus, Samsung, iPhone, Nokia, Xiaomi and many more mobile frames for your screenshot. It is very easy to use. The last app is a game app called Warface. This is high graphics shooting games. You can play very easily, no hard settings for play. You can play this game in multiplayer. It is a deathmatch game. Grab your gun and see for yourself. The game is inspired by the original Warface and has many familiar features. Yet, every aspect of this game was built to deliver the best shooter experience on mobile. The definitive multiplayer experience returns, bigger and better than ever. Even if you are a grizzled veteran, you will find a worthy challenge. Fully customizable character. Create your unique character with memorable appearance. Equip your character with dozens of different items and custom outfits to stand out from millions of players. Create an ultimate weapon, tons of customizable weapons, assault and sniper rifles, shotguns, SMGs, and more. Assemble the gun of your dreams with loads of attachments and a system of non-linear upgrades. Find a combination of perks that suits you most and climb to the top of the leaderboards. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.